Hi there! As you can see, lahitag background. We are in our new house. This is the first time that we've decided to take this great of a step, no? We've decided to live on our own. So we left Lolo. As much as I want to stay there, it's really mentally draining for me, and I think that's one of the reason why I had severe anxiety for the past few days, for the past few weeks. I really wanted to stay. I was so heartbroken when I left, but then I realized na the more we stay, the more we get drained. We sa tawagan na og sa kuan pag sa kandila pa maupos. So that's the reason why we're here. Nata sa Maghanui. I still don't know where exactly is this, no. Anyway, so that's what happened. This is our first night. It's November 26th. I just want to say I'm so proud of you for how far we've come. Dari, sakit atong mata. And for the past few days, I've talked with Dieter about staying here and all. Of course, kanang kuan jud siya concerned. I'll be staying alone. I will not be totally alone. Naman si Giselle. So not take kauban. This is a very big house, so 2 stories siya. Then I fully furnished kitchen o bathroom sa ubos. I mean, dili siya totally fully furnished, but nailaba po na sink, kompleto sa mga sockets and all. And then right now we're in the 2nd floor. Dako ka space. But like everyone else, we are starting from scratch. No bed. No bed, no cabinets, zero. But it's a step. Still, no matter how small the step is, it's still a step. It's still a step forward. So it's a win. That's a win for us, and I'm so nakat off na full storage. Anyways. So we're here, we're starting from zero. We only have tables, like very small tables. Supposed to be a bedside table, and then a camping table, and then my work table. So anyways, kapoy kayo pang move. But everything's good. I am at peace. I'm at ease. I'm not thinking kanang basig di kay na si Lolo. I really hated leaving him, but he's sucking the life out of me. I'm so sorry for that. Anyway, so that's what happened. And unsa pa man jud. I told Dieter about the situation, of course. Di siya mahimutang. He was thinking I'm all alone here, and layo siya sa silingan. It's a 3-unit building. All units have 2nd floors, but I'm situated in the latest or last unit, and beside this is a rice field, Basakan. Anyways, I really like how I'm staying here na. Then anak siya nga kanang layo daw sa silingan and layo sa tindahan, and then bae pagyud. I told him about sa atong ikagaw nga nagstay kuy na si Giselle, si Ate Giselle. And then I also told him nga kanang it's okay, and I told him nga to come visit us soon. And I said yes, he'll visit us soon, very soon as daw. And I think that's what we have. Itabangan ko ni John Lloyd ug ni Jake og move in. Nagsunod si Giselle og si Onin. Everyone helped as much as they could. And hopefully na nakakaunto si Lolo dito. I know he's very capable. And kaya to niya. Anyways, I left that and I think it's time to call it a night, to settle down and bunker down for the night. Di na palabi o ka-stress. We're here. That's the reason why we're here. So, we gotta trust God na everything will make sense for us. Anyways, I'll chat back with you hopefully by tomorrow once ma-upload na yung video. And see you soon!